Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just a quick how-to video on fixing the weight in an Atlas hopper or most any sort of hopper. This is a hopper that I've recently purchased and has Microtrains parts on it. I replaced one of the push pins or the truck pins, and when you take the top off, you see you have a cylindrical weight, and the weight in it is actually come out some. So what we're going to do is let it come out, put the car aside. As you can see, it is a cylindrical weight that goes inside, and you can see it's kind of dull looking, kind of looks like it needs a little help. It has a little bit of rust on it, but we're going to take care of that. So we're going to take our 400 grit sandpaper and we just turn it. Just turn it. Now look at the difference. Now we do the same thing to the other side. Doesn't take that much, and we're simply just rolling it. The weight kind of turns itself. Do each side again. Now we just do the ends. Okay. Now you can see there, nice and clean. So now we just take our rubbing alcohol and a little rag, and then we clean off the deposits that it left behind. So we got her nice and clean now. So the dust is off, and now it is time to put the weight back into its compartment. If you want a long-lasting fit, just a little bit of wood glue will do the trick, or a little bit of Testor's modeling cement. So a little bit will go a long ways for wood glue. So now we just press it in. If it doesn't go all the way through the compartment, that's okay, because when you press the weight inside, you can see the glue oozes out a little bit. And not much excess is in there, so you just press it in there, you let it sit, then you just put the cover right back on it. The cover does not need glue on it because you might want to access it later, but she's ready to go to work. So that's a little quick and easy tutorial on fixing one of those weights. It's pretty simple. I love working on N-scale cars because there's not a lot of parts to these things, and plus you got the push pins up there for the trucks, and sometimes you have a screw, as mentioned in one of my previous videos, but the push pins, you just pull them out, push them in, and you're finished. Especially if it's Microtrains parts are the way to go, and fixing these weights are pretty simple. This is just for the hoppers itself, because a lot of times for your hoppers, you get a cylindrical weight like, here's another Atlas hopper with one of the cylindrical weights, and that's going to be in like your open top hoppers, your Pullman style Govert hoppers, as well as your ACF hoppers or your Trinity hoppers, for example. So that's the kind of style of weight that you'll get. Now for box cars, you'll have the flat weight. For your flat cars, you'll have a flat weight. For tanker cars, I believe you have a flat weight as well. So that's just a couple of different styles. For cabooses, you'll have a flat weight, and same with passenger cars. So anyway, guys, that just about wraps it up for tonight's video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed, and I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.